Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean this particular IKEA milk frother. So many of you guys have commented on the comment section below, comment section, where I have posted a video how to put the battery on the IKEA milk frother. So I have used Duracell battery here, you can see, and there is a trick how to put the battery over here. So I have already created 2 videos on the same. You can definitely refer that, how to put the battery on the milk frother. And this video is more about how to clean the milk frother. So if you see here, there are springs over here, and it is very difficult for many of you guys to be able to clean the milk frother. So you are able to see this milk frother is right now running, and many of you guys are facing difficulties on cleaning it. So let me create a froth over here, and I will clean it in front of you. I have taken a glass bowl, a half glass of water. So make sure whenever you are using the milk frother to froth the milk or to mix something, at the same time use it on the water. So that is the most important thing you have to follow. Do not keep the milk frother after frothing it for a long time, because if you keep it, the substance of the milk will get accumulated here and it will get dried. Once it get dried, you will not be able to clean it. So make sure whenever you are using it with the milk frother to froth the milk, at the same time keep it and then directly clean it on the water. Let us do it right now. Okay, so see, I am frothing the milk. Even frothing milk is also a good technique, so I will tell you the technique. Make sure that the milk frother is open to the air. Do not directly dip the milk frother on the milk itself. See, the frothing texture already came. So make sure the milk frother is little bit inclined towards the air. Do not directly dip it on bottom. Then only the frothing texture you will get it you will get an even frothing texture. So see, it is done. So I am able to do the froth. So right now, if you keep it as it is, for around 1 hour, the whole content of the milk will get dried and you will not be able to clean it later. So immediately put it on the water and then run it. Do the same process putting it on the water glass. Then see, it got cleaned automatically. So no need to even wait for long time to clean it. Many people will put it directly on the water tap. I will definitely suggest not to put the whole IKEA milk frother into on the water tap, because it is not a waterproof item. The water can go in and then it will damage your milk frother. So make sure whenever you are frothing the milk, at the same time put it on the water. Okay, and make sure you are using a clean water. Do not use the same water what you used earlier, and then you will be able to see, and then run it directly here. All the water whichever has been left over will then go away. That's all, guys. If you want to clean it, this section, definitely add some more water and you can clean it, or you can use a tissue paper, or you can use the wet wipes to clean this one. So it is even easy. Make sure that this section is also clean whenever you are using it for the next time. Okay, and if you are getting some substances like this because this happened because I might have kept it for a long, maybe once or twice, but that is not a good approach, guys. Make sure you are always using it. Whenever you are using the milk frother, always cleaning it on the water whenever you are using the milk frother, and then on dry directly run it. So you see the water coming out. That's all, guys. So and then keep it on the dried place. Do not keep it on the wet place, guys. Okay, because there are possibilities of water getting inside this milk frother, and your milk frother will also get damaged. I hope this video is helpful, guys. The purchase link of the milk frother will be available in the description section. You can go ahead and purchase it. And if you like the video, hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. You will get more videos in future, and hit the bell icon, guys. Thank you, and thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. If it is helpful, definitely comment in the comment section below. Thank you, guys, and thanks for watching. Do take care.